Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss with you about binomial theorem and some problems as example. Uh, Viewers, I have selected this topic because one of my followers in Instagram asked me to make a video from this topic. I feel really motivated when you ask me to make video on any specific topic. So please, without any hesitation, try to find out your problems, and you can ask me to make video on that topic. Just send me message about the topic and problems also. Okay, let's start. First of all, what is binomial? Any power of expression x plus y is called binomial, like x plus y whole square, x plus y whole cube. These are examples of binomial. And we know that x plus y is equal to x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, like x plus y whole cube, x cube plus 3x square plus 3xy square plus y cube. uh, first three, this is our algebraic formula. Many of us we can memorize this, but what about when we raise the power more than 3? What will happen? How can we find this when the power of any binomial expression will be more than 3? So that's why you have to find a pattern, a formula to find any power of a binomial expression, to expand this type of expression. So here, see, if this side is binomial and this is coefficient, what is the coefficient of x plus y? It's 1 and 1. If we take x plus y whole square, the expression will be 1 to 1. This expression is this coefficient is the coefficient of expansion of x plus y whole square. If we see the formula, x square plus 2x y plus y square, the coefficient are 1 to 1. Similarly, for x plus y whole cube, coefficients are 1 3 3 1. What is coefficient? Coefficients are the numbers with expression. So if we notice the pattern here, coefficients are increasing, like if we add this 1 and 2, we will get 3, and 2 and 1 will get 3. Similarly, for this 4, we can add the upper two terms in the upper row, 1 and 3 we will get 4, and 3 3 we get 6. Similarly, we will get other coefficient like this way, like this triangle. This is called Pascal triangle. Then from this triangle we can easily find any expansion of a binomial, any power of any power of any binomial expansion. And for like this, we have a formula here, x plus y to the power n. Then this will be x to the power n plus n by 1, x to the power n minus 1 y, and like this, n into n minus 1 divided by 1 to x to the power n minus 2 y square. Here, first of all, we take the power of nth power of x, and then we decrease the power of x by 1 and increase power of and and take another term y. Similarly, if we see the pattern here, we divide n, we divide 2 from n, we subtract 2 from n, and here power is square, and similarly here two terms. And similar way, here we subtract 3 from n and power is 3, and here 3 terms. So whenever we and last we power r we subtract r, and the power will be power also r here, and there are r terms here. So this is our formula. And now what is now we have to uh, use in more we can write it more simple way. For that we have to know the explanation. We have to know the term combination here. It is called C, it is defined by C. NC0 is equal to 1 and NC1 is equal to n. What is C? C is combination, number of combinations, and formula is C is NCR. If NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial in times n minus r factorial. And here n is total number of objects in the set, and r is number of choosing objects from the set. When we take r numbers of object from n number uh, of object, and we arrange them, that is called combination, NCR. In that case we can use the formula NCR. If we find the value of 10 CR, it will be 210 like this. And here we use the formula of factorial, which is 10 factorial means 10 9 8 7 6 up to 1. And similarly 4 factorial is 4 3 2 1. And when we cancel the terms, and after calculating, we'll get 210. And NCR, the formulas of NCR is this one. From this, if we use this combination formula on this if we put this combination on this expansion, we will get another formula here, which is this one. Here we see that x plus y to the power n, we will get nc0, and gradually our value of y will increase, and power of y will increase, and power of n, power of x will decrease. If you see the pattern, the gradually power of y will increase and power of x will decrease, right? And then we can, from this pattern, we can get the general term, which is r plus 1 term, which is NCR x to the power n minus r y r, right? Now from by using this formula we can solve some problems. And then I hope you can understand that how we get this general term, right? This general term, by this general term we can generate every expression. When we take, for the first term r will be 0, right? For the second term, when r is 0 we will get this term, first term. When r is 1 we will get this term. So that's why this is called the general term of this expression, right? Now come to the problems. Here we were asked that to expand this expression, right? 1 plus 2x to the power 4. This is a binomial expression, and by using the formula, is a binomial formula, we see that 1 to the power 4, which is 4, and 4 c1 and 1 cube. We have to increase the power of 2x and decrease the power of 1, right? First, at the first term, power of 1 is 4, and 1 to the power 4 is 1, right? And for the second term, the power of 1 will decrease and power of 2x will increase gradually. And this term is 4c1, which is 4, 4c1 which is 4, 4c2 is 6, and like this we get the three terms here. And similarly for this expansion we also get these three terms here. Here for the first term to the power 5, for the second term power of first term will decrease and power of second term will increase. In the similar way we get this expansion, right? Now from this two expansion we have to one new formula, new problem here. If we multiply this two expansion we did before, we get that by multiplying this expansion we get terms with x squares are 1 times 20x square, 88x times minus 40x, 24x square times 32, and coefficient of x square are 20 minus 3 320 plus 768, and our value is 468. So this is some first problems I have discussed. And now the second problem is, the problem here we are given this, that in the expansion of this binomial expression, the coefficient of x to the power 7 is 4 times the coefficient of x to the power 10. We have to find the value of a. We are given this, we have to find the value of a. First we have to use the here you have to use the general term, formula of general term, right, which is NCR, and then x to the power n minus r and y to the power r. This is the general term of binomial expression, we know that, and we call this r plus 1 term or tr plus 1. We also denote this by this simple sign. Then r plus 1 term is for this expression. Here power is 8, so value of n will be 8 cr x square to the power 8 minus r, and for the a divided by x to the power r, and after we multiply the power we get 8 cr x to the power 16 minus 3r and n to the power r. Then the term with x to the power 7 be the r plus 1 term. Then x to the power 7 occurs when 16 minus 3r is equal to 7. Then r will be 3, and coefficient of x to the power 7 is hc3 and a3. And similarly we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 10, which is r plus, for the r plus 1 term, x to the power 10 occurs when 16 minus 3r and is equal to 10, and then which is implies r equal to 2, and coefficient of x to the power 10 is 8c2 a square, right, which is 28 square. And by the question we are given that coefficient of x7 x7 is 4 times the coefficient of x10. So that's why we find both the form coefficient, which is 56 a cube and 28 a square. We are given that this coefficient is 4 times this coefficient is 4 times of this coefficient of x to the power 10. So by the question, we 4 times 28 square is equal to 56 a cube, and which implies a is equal to 2. Now let's go for another problem. Here we are given that the expansion of this expression in ascending powers of x is this expression. We have to calculate the value of a and of b. Now here if we expand these two terms, here we will use a minus b whole square formula, and we will expand this by binomial expansion, which is 1 hc1 ax. The value power of 1 will decrease and power of second term will increase, right, hc1 ax to the power 1 and hc2 x to the power 2. And by after calculating, if we take coefficient of x together and coefficient of x square together, we get this expression. And given that we are given that 1 minus 3 x square whole square plus into 1 plus ax to the power 8 is equal to this expression. So if we compare the coefficients of both sides, coefficients of x square, if we compare on both sides, because we found this expression from this from the expansion of this expression, right, we found this and we are given this. So if we compare the coefficient of x and x square, we will get minus 6 plus 8a, and here the coefficient is 10, so minus 6 plus 8a is equal to 10. And similar way, here the coefficient is b, and here the coefficient of x square is this expression. So 28a square minus 48a plus 9 is equal to b, and from 1 we get a is equal to 2, and putting a is equal to 2 in equation 2, we get the value of b is 25. So this is the problems from binomial theorem. I hope this will help you to understand this concept and problems more easily. And if you still have any confusion, please ask me without any hesitation. It will inspire me to upload more video, to create more videos for you. And please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you everyone. Hope you all the best.